Moving on to the Design tab, this is where we can initially set the look and feel of the learner's experience. The Design tab enables you to set the dimensions of the content window, provide you with pre-built themes, adjust the general background, and again, publish the lesson. If you or your organization has established a standard look for your e-learning with what the screen size should be, the preferred fonts and approved colors to match your organization's branding, you probably won't use this tab very often. The Design tab has 4 sections: slide size, themes, background, and publish. When you select the slide size icon, you will see a pop-up window appear. This window will give you the ability to adjust the dimensions of the screen size in pixels. The higher the number, the more pixels per inch and higher resolution. The second section is the Themes section. This is where you can assign a theme or preferred colors and fonts to the entire lesson. As you can see, Storyline has pre-built themes for you to use. By selecting the down arrow on the right side of the section, you will open a drop-down window showing you all of the themes available to you. You can also upload a theme that was saved on your hard drive and save a theme you have created for future use. At the far right side of the section are the color and fonts icons. Selecting these icons also open up drop-down windows showing you pre-built options for you to select and use in your lesson. At the bottom of both drop-down windows, you can create your own preferred color palette or create a new font style to use throughout the lesson. The background section will allow you to adjust the look of the slide's content area. After you have identified your theme, you can adjust the white space on the slide, so it's not just blank space. You are able to add a gradients to the background so the lesson doesn't look flat and boring, or you can insert a background image that speaks to the lesson's message and objectives. Like on other tabs, you also have the ability to publish the lesson from the Design tab.